Hey there, crypto fam. Ready for some juicy intel on the hottest tap-to-earn game out there? Buckle up, because we're diving deep into the world of Hamster Combat, and boy, do we have some spicy news for you. Picture this. You're tapping away, earning those sweet, sweet tokens, when suddenly, bam, you're hit with a warning about cheating. Panic mode activated, right? Well, fear not, my friends, because we're about to unravel the mystery behind Hamster Combat's recent crackdown on multiple accounts and cheating. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. So, what's the deal with Hamster Combat? For those living under a rock, it's only the most addictive tap-to-earn game on Telegram, boasting a mind-blowing 50 million users worldwide. Yeah, you heard that right, 50 million. We're talking about a game that's taken countries like India, Pakistan, and Russia by storm. It's not just a game, it's a phenomenon. Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Hamster Combat isn't just about mindless tapping. Oh no, it's way cooler than that. We're talking daily tasks, cipher combos, and events that'll keep you hooked for hours. And the best part? You're earning virtual tokens while you play. It's like getting paid to have fun. Who wouldn't want that? But here's where things get interesting. Recently, there's been a buzz in the Hamster Combat community about account bans and warnings. Players have been hit with pop-ups saying things like, cheating is bad, and warnings about suspicious activity. It's like the game suddenly turned into a stern parent, wagging its digital finger at naughty players. Now I know what you're thinking, but I'm not a cheater. I'm as innocent as a newborn hamster. Well, hold on to your whiskers, because it's not just about obvious cheating. Hamster Combat is cracking down on multiple accounts, bots, automation tools, and even those sneaky AI-generated keys some players have been using. Let's break it down, shall we? Hamster Combat's rules are pretty straightforward. They're all about fair play, which means no multiple accounts, no bots, and definitely no AI tools to game the system. It's like they're channeling their inner superhero, fighting for justice in the gaming world. But why the sudden crackdown, you ask? Well, it turns out that these cheating methods were messing with the game's ecosystem. It's like trying to win a race by taking a shortcut. Sure, you might get ahead, but where's the fun in that? Plus, it's not fair to all the honest players out there grinding away. Now let's address the elephant in the room, or should I say, the hamster in the wheel. There have been rumors swirling around about Hamster Combat getting banned in India, Pakistan, and Russia. But hold your horses, folks. As of now, these are just rumors. The game is still going strong in these countries, with players tapping away like there's no tomorrow. But here's a pro tip for you. If you've been having trouble logging in, don't panic just yet. It could be a network issue, or maybe there's an update happening in your region. My advice? Keep trying, switch up your networks, and most importantly, stay patient. Trust me, I've been there, frantically tapping my screen like a madman, wondering why I couldn't get in. But persistence is key, my friends. Now let's talk strategy. How can you stay on the right side of Hamster Combat's rules and keep earning those sweet rewards? First things first, stick to one account. I know it's tempting to create multiple accounts to boost your earnings, but trust me, it's not worth the risk. Play fair, play smart, and you'll be rewarded in the long run. Secondly, ditch those bots and automation tools. I get it. They seem like an easy way to rack up points while you sleep. But remember, Hamster Combat is on to these tricks. It's like trying to sneak a cookie from the jar. Sooner or later, you're gonna get caught with crumbs on your face. And let's not forget about those AI-generated keys. They might seem like a golden ticket, but they're more like a one-way ticket to Bantown. Stick to the genuine keys you earn through gameplay. It's more rewarding, and hey, you won't have to look over your shoulder every time you log in. But here's the million-token question. What if you've already used some of these methods? Well, my friend, honesty is the best policy. If you see that dreaded cheating is bad message, take it as a wake-up call. Stop any suspicious activities, play by the rules, and hope for the best. Remember, Hamster Combat isn't out to get you. They just want to keep the game fair and fun for everyone. Now let's talk about the future of Hamster Combat. Despite these recent hiccups, the game is showing no signs of slowing down. In fact, this crackdown on cheating might just make the game even better in the long run. Think about it. A level playing field means more genuine competition, more engaging gameplay, and ultimately, a more satisfying experience for everyone. And here's some food for thought. What if these changes are just the beginning? Could Hamster Combat be gearing up for something even bigger? New features, bigger rewards, or maybe even a whole new game mode? The possibilities are endless, and that's what makes being part of this community so exciting. So what's the bottom line here? Hamster Combat is evolving, adapting, and yes, cracking down on cheaters. But for honest players, this is great news. It means a fairer game, a more stable ecosystem, and potentially even better rewards down the line. It's like the game is going through puberty. A bit awkward now, but just wait until it hits its stride. Remember folks, in the world of crypto gaming, integrity is key. Play fair, play smart, and most importantly, have fun. Hamster Combat isn't just a game, it's a community, an economy, and for many, a daily ritual. Treat it with respect, and it'll reward you in ways you never imagined. So, what are you waiting for? Fire up that Telegram app, get tapping, and join the millions of players already enjoying Hamster Combat. Who knows? You might just be the next big earner in the Hamster Combat world. And hey, if you found this info helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on those notifications.